students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video, I would like to continue the same chapter that we had started in our previous video lesson. Okay, students. So, in our previous class, we had started the chapter 2, named the food we eat. Okay, so students, today we will continue this chapter and today we will complete it. Okay, so firstly, take out your social studies book, which is look like this, students, and open chapter 2. Open chapter 2 on the page number 7. Okay, so what's our chapter name, students? Our chapter name is the food we eat. Okay, so yesterday we had completed this chapter, the half portion of this chapter, and today we will complete the further portion of this chapter. So students, turn your page and come to the page number 9. Okay, come on the page number 9. So students, let's start reading with me. You all have to just listen to me carefully in order to understand that how I am pronouncing every single word of this chapter. So in case you don't mispronounce any word. Okay, students, so that's why listen to me carefully. And so let's start reading with me. So yesterday we had read about the different types of foods we get from the animals, we get from the plants, and today we will revise it again. So put finger on the first line of the first paragraph on the page number 9. We eat many kinds of food. We eat vegetables, fruits, bread, rice and chapati. We also have butter, paneer, beans, oil, sugar, fish, meat and eggs. So students, here you can see we eat different kinds of food. We doesn't eat the same kinds of food at the daily basis. We eat different kinds of foods in our day-to-day life. So students, firstly we have learned about the food that we get from the plants, such as vegetables, fruits, bread, rice and chapati. So we make chapati from the wheat. And where do we get wheat from? We get wheat from the plants. Okay, and the next type of foods are that we get from the animals, such as milk, butter, paneer. Okay, so fish, meat, eggs, these all are food items we get from the animals. Okay, so now finger put on the next line. We drink milk, juice and water. To be healthy, we need to eat different kinds of food. Okay, so students, for being a healthy person, we should eat the different kinds of food to get a proper nutrition. Okay, we should eat fruits, we should eat fruits, vegetables, rice or chapati and different kinds of food on the daily basis to get the proper nutrition. Okay, so we should eat the balanced diet. Okay, and put finger on the next line. Look at these pictures. Can you find some of the foods you eat every day? Name them. Okay, so you students, here look at these pictures in your book, students. Here you can see so many food items are given. You can see, such as fruits, vegetables, bread, chapati, sugar, eggs, milk, chicken, rice, fish, butter. Okay, so you have to just look at these pictures and you have to find some food items. Okay, so you have to find some foods that you eat every day, okay, and you have to tell their names, okay. So let's start with the first picture. So first picture is about fruits. So yeah, yes, we eat fruits on the our day-to-day life, okay, in our everyday life. So first one is fruits, next one is vegetables, third one is bread, fourth one is chapati, sugar, egg, milk, chicken, rice, fish and butter. So which of these food items we eat in our everyday life, students? So we eat chapati, sugar, egg, milk, rice, bread, fruits, vegetables. These food items we eat in our everyday life, okay. So let's move on the next line and put finger on the next line of next paragraph, okay. So first line on the next paragraph, we get some of these foods from plants and others from animals. So students, as you can see, these food items, some of these food items we get from the plants, such as fruits, vegetables, bread, chapati, sugar, rice. So these are food items we get from the plants, and other food items that are left we get from the animals, okay, such as eggs, milk, chicken, fish and butter. These food items we get from the animals. Is that clear? Now move on to the next line, students. We get fruits, vegetables, rice, wheat and sugar from plants, okay. So as I told you, we get these food items from the plants. We get milk, paneer, meat and egg from animals. So these all food items we get from the animals, okay. We get eggs from the animals, we get milk from the animals, and paneer and butter are the ingredients of milk, okay. So paneer and butter are made from the milk. So we get milk from the animals. So this all also are animals food items, you can say. We get from animals. We should eat fresh and clean food. Food that is cooked goes bad after some time. We can fall ill if the food we eat is not clean or has gone bad, okay. So ill means sick, okay. So fall ill means sick. So we can fall ill or we can sick if we eat the bad food items or the food items that are gone bad or the food items that is waste, okay. So we should always eat fresh and clean food, okay. Not only fresh but also clean, okay. Otherwise it can be the cause of food poisoning, okay students. So we should always eat fresh food and clean food, okay. We should always eat food that is made by clean process, and we should also eat fresh food, okay. We should not eat food that is made before a long time ago. We should always eat fresh food, okay, because the food cooked goes bad after the sometimes, okay. I hope you understand. Now move on to this box. You can see this box in your book, students. Look at this box. So here a fact is given. So let's read it. This fact is about elephants, okay. This fact is about elephant. Elephant is an animal. Elephants eat a lot of food in a day, okay. So elephants are big in a size, so definitely they eat lots of food in a day. They eat the leaves of and bark of trees. Okay, so leaves means students. So students, the elephants eat the leaves and the bark of a bark means the skin of the trees. They eat the skin of the trees or the leaves of the trees. Okay, so here you can see an elephant tearing the bark of a tree with its trunk. Okay, tusks. As you can see in this picture, students, this elephant is tearing a bark of tree. Bark means the skin of tree. Okay, the outer skin of tree this elephant is tearing because they eat these barks. Okay, is it clear? So it was about the elephants. Now move on to the next. So here a task is given for you. Okay, so you have to name a food that we get from animals. Okay, so any food such as milk or egg or chicken or fish or butter. So these are food items we get from the animals. So any one of them you can say. Okay, now move on to the next one. So look at this next box, students. This is a life skill. Okay, this is a life skill. Be aware, different people like different foods. You may not like the food some people eat, and they may not like the food you like to eat. This is all right. Okay, so this is a life skill. Okay, that some people do not like to eat the food that you like the most, but it may be you like the food most to eat that they do not like, and it is also can be the case that they like some food to eat most but you do not like. Okay, so everybody has their choices, everybody likes different foods to eat. Okay, nobody not all people are the same, so it all are right, nothing is bad in it. Okay, so I hope you understand it. So students, hope you understand it, and don't forget to complete your homework. Just you have to read this all chapter and you have to underline the hard word meanings of this chapter. Okay, so please keep in mind what all you have learned today, and see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.